This is the one. Oh. We're working with today, watermelon. And what suits watermelon better than most things? Better than almost anything? Better than anything? Better than anything? Basil. What's happening, everybody? It's Scott James, Drink Genie, Simple Beverage. Today, we got some interesting stuff. We're working with some of the best flavors on the planet. Watermelon and basil. Together, they're a combination that is just delightful. You can't go wrong. This is Kisses and Hand Grenades. You have your base spirit here. We're throwing vodka, but really, you can throw anything at this drink, and it's going to take to it really nicely. We also have fresh lemon and simple syrup. Got some chunks of watermelon here, and we're going to garnish it with some beautiful basil that I grew out here on my terrace. And by terrace, I mean rusty-ass fire escape. But hey, it's all in perspective, right? It's still basil. I still grew it myself. I still made this myself, and it still tastes absolutely delicious. So, I'm going to teach you how to do it. This is in hand grenades, guys. Here, you're going to fine strain that. You have to fine strain it. If you don't strain it, you're going to get basil flakes floating in your drink. And you may not mind that. It may not bother you texturally. But if you're drinking with somebody else, you're on a date, you're sipping away, and you get a basil flake in your front tooth, you don't want that for anybody. It's absolutely avoidable. As far as the appeal of the drink is concerned, basil flakes don't help it. You put the basil on top, you get the nice fragrance. It's involved in the garnish. You don't need it floating around in the drink.